Mounting and balancing. Unlock motors. Before mounting your phone, unlock the roll motor and pan motor to ensure movable arms. To unlock roll motor, hold the handle steadily while facing the control panel. Generally rotate the roll motor from left to right until it can rotate freely. To unlock pan motor, unlock the pan axis latch under the pan motor by pushing the switch downwards until you hear a click. Mounting the smartphone. Tips: compatible phones, less than or equal to 7-inch, weight less than or equal to 400 grams, width 58 mm to 98 mm. Mounting in landscape mode. Make sure Hohem logo faces forward with the phone camera on the left. Keep the phone charging to rubber pads on the clamp and tilt motor. Mounting in portrait mode. Rotate the clamp by 90 degrees as shown. Make sure the phone camera faces upwards. Keep the phone mounted centrally in the clamp. Tips: if the gimbal is mounted with bigger smartphone in portrait mode, please push your phone upwards to ensure some space between the phone and the roll motor. Balancing the phone. Unlock the roll axis arm latch as shown. Push the arm to move left or right until the phone is steady at almost level with the ground. Tighten the latch.